Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will install Vray plugin, which is used for text lighting purpose in 3ds Max, and we will use Vray in our future projects and videos. So first of all, before learning the main tools of 3D Studio Max, we are going to install Vray plugin. In this case, you can see if we click on rendering and then we go to render setup, you will see that there are default renderer which are available in 3ds Max. You can see Mental Ray, NVIDIA iRay, and Art Renderer, Scanlan, but you can't find Vray here, and we need Vray also for better lighting and texturing and better rendering output. So for installing Vray, we will close the 3D Studio Max first of all, and then we can download Vray plugin from web. I will give you a link under this description of this video. You can just download the Vray plugin. After that you will find a zip Vray, and after extracting the zip you will find the Vray exe file here. We can double click on this exe file and we can start installation. Okay, after then we will click on I agree. Here are some requirements. We can just click on install now, and now our Vray plugin is installing. After installation we will just click on finish. Then here verifying dongles, just skip this step, and that's it. It's we have done the Vray basic installation. And now what we will do, in download package we have one file here, Black Storm DLR. Just copy this file and go to 3ds Max, right click, we will wait. It's just opening the Opera actually. Just close this Opera, and here we will click on open file location where the 3ds Max lies, and here in std plugs, here we will paste that file. Continue. Great, that's it. We have successfully installed Vray, and now we will open 3ds Max and we will check that we have Vray or not. So then 3ds Max is open now, and you can see Vray toolbar, and you can just pin this bar wherever you want. I will place this bar over here, I think, and it will be fine. That's it. You see the we have successfully added plugin Vray, and now if you click on this render button, then it will ask you that whether you want to place Vray as a main renderer, default renderer. Then you will click on yes, and it will be your default renderer. So that's it for this video, and in next video we are going to learn about basic tools of 3D Studio Max.